Hi guys, so I really enjoyed the waterfall technique that's been very popular, and I wanted to see if I can do a little something different. So this is a waterfall gradient. All I'm using is 2 colors of pink and 2 colors of blue, and I got myself this little tiny brush. It was a lot bigger, but I cut it down to make it as small as possible. All the colors I'm using are simple colors, naturally. So dip in your first. You dip in your first color and just start pulling lines. Mine isn't going to look nearly as good as others because my nails are so short. Rinse your brush out. Dip in another color. Maybe I could have dipped in the other pink. Let's try that. The lighter pink. Why not try? And just pull your lines. Okay, clean your brush and do another shade from the top. So now you want to go with the lighter blue. Okay. And just pull your lines all I don't think your lines have to go all the way down. They could if you want them to. And now, since we used the light pink, we're going to use the dark pink. And now you just want to go and fill in the blanks. Oh man, I hope you guys saw that. Well, and that's it. I think I liked it better on these other ones because it's two different shades of each color, the lighter and the darker. Here I've mixed it up a little and it doesn't look it doesn't look that great. So it's up to you what you want to do and how you want to do it. You can always go back and redo some of your other lines if you think that it's not gradient enough. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. I like it just the way it is. Maybe fill in some of the holes. And there. Gradient waterfall. Waterfall gradient. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. You can also follow me on Instagram at Spoonful88. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.